Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of Washing Dishes. Today, we're going to make something that's got a lot of names, but I'm going to refer to it as Israeli salad, because growing up Jewish, that's just what it was called when it showed up on the table. So here we've got a medium red onion, and we're going to slice that in half and give it a small to medium-ish dice. I figured we'd do something a little bit different with this video and just go full voiceover with the moving hands cutting board thing. So let me know how you like it, and we'll see how things go in the future. And of course, we're really just going for like approximately a 1/4 inch here. Dice it up, get it in the bowl, and then we're ready to move on to our next ingredient, which is 4 Roma tomatoes. We're going to take the tops off of those, give them a slice, and the same size dice as the onions, but we are going to cut the seeds out, because if we add the seeds in, they'll just add too much liquid and just kind of make the final salad watery and kind of not good texture. Once we've got the tomatoes in, we can go on to our last major ingredient, which is going to, of course, be the bulk of this salad, some beautiful cucumbers. I'm using pickling cucumbers because that's what I have around the house. You can use English or Persian. You just want one that doesn't have a whole lot of, like, watery seeds in the middle. And as we speed through this, I'm doing the same slice, dice, 1/4 inch-ish cube for these as I did for the tomatoes and the onions. Really, we just want everything to be about the same size so that it is an even distribution of things when we pick up a fork or spoonful of this to eat. You know, you want the flavors to be balanced in the way that we intend. And cutting things into consistent shapes helps that along a lot of the way. Now that we've got the bulk of the ingredients in and mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add our seasonings. First, we're going to add some herbs. This is some mint. We're also going to add some parsley. And a little bit of dill, one of my favorites. We'll just pile those up, do a quick rough chop on them. Just, you know, get them as small as we can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's all going to get mixed up anyway, and regardless of the size, they'll add a lot of flavor to the mixture anyway. You're just looking to avoid any, like, big chunks that won't taste good or be easy to eat. We'll pop our herbs in. And then we're going to add some dried oregano, like a heavy pinch, about a tablespoon, give or take. And we're just going to grind that between our hands, just so it's not in, like, big leaves. It'll kind of grind down to a powder. It's really delicious, adds a nice flavor. Shows up in a ton of, like, Greek and other Mediterranean food, along with the juice of a lemon and some olive oil. Of course, you can't have Mediterranean or Middle Eastern food without olive oil. And then, of course, a little bit of black pepper. And we're just going to mix that up until everything's all mixed together. And with it all mixed up, the only thing left to do is give it a quick taste. Here we have it. Our Mediterranean, Persian, Greek, Palestinian, Israeli, Egyptian, Tunisian, I don't know. Call it whatever you like. It's a salad, and it's amazing. Hey, thanks for staying till the end. I really appreciate it. If you like that, check out a couple of these other videos. They're probably up your alley, too. I have a Twitch channel at twitch.tv/washinthewind. I'm on Twitter at washinthewind, and I'm on Instagram at washinthewind, but without the E, mostly because of the character limit. If you'd like to show some support, a Twitch sub or a Patreon subscription would be wonderful. But what helps the most is a like, a subscribe here, and sharing the video with your friends. I hope you've had a wonderful time enjoying the video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your time zone. Thanks very much for watching.